What's going on, guys? So the day is finally here. The manifold has arrived and we are ready to start turboing the Miata. So you guys show them the manifold?
First thing, hold on.
Sorry. There it is. I've been looking for that thing for a while. So okay, now we know where it's at. So show them the manifold and then I'll tell you guys a quick story. If you guys saw the last video, we talked about maybe not turboing it. We met a guy at Harbor Freight, long story short. He was a true car guy. He lives like 2 minutes from here. Our concern was tapping the oil pan because you either have to pull the motor or drop the subframe to tap the oil pan for the return. We didn't know how long it's gonna last. So long story short, this guy invigorated us. He's gonna come by. He's gonna help us with our oil feed and our oil return. And we're gonna get started on it. We're gonna have this thing done in record time.
Let's say less than 2 weeks.
But we're starting it up in a couple days, for sure. So. Still hot?
Hot.
Okay, so we just drove it for the last time, and we sprayed our penetrating oil. Check this out. Our penetrating oil.
I bet somebody has something smart to say about it.
Penetrating oil?
Yeah.
I'm sure. So we're gonna let that sit. It's been a little while now, but that's our manifold. We've got a cast log style manifold, and first thing we're gonna do is, in my opinion, if the headers come off and the manifold goes on and there's no issues, from there everything should be a breeze. All right, guys. So moment of truth time. We got the impact, and we're just gonna send it and see what happens. Are you out here to make fun of us, or?
No, I'm leaving.
Hold on. Before you do that, you want to tell us about your new car?
There it is.
What is it?
Highlander.
It's a 2018 Highlander. It's got navigation and all kinds of ridiculousness, and I'm not allowed to drive it. So. Go ahead.
That's accurate.
All right, here we go.
Ready?
Ready.
I'm scared. Well, that was
One down.
good. Kind of, sort of. I removed the actual stud from the block. Oh. Ready?
Ready.
Well, so far it's coming along.
Okay. So far, so good.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
So this one came out how it should.
Yes. Is it still hot?
You're hot. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, that's loose.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
That's loose.
We're crossing our fingers. We are really praying. We are really praying. Are we down to the last one?
Now we got
2 more. 3 more.
3 more. Which, see if I can get to them.
You have to take the extension off.
Yeah. I'm nervous, man.
What are you nervous for? You didn't think it'd be that easy, though, right?
No.
I didn't either.
I thought something was gonna break.
It's that penetrating oil. Here we go. You know one of them's gonna do something.
Well, already, because I cannot reach these ones.
All right, we'll just have to use a ratchet.
Come on, man.
What?
We need some pry bar. Something.
Use the jack handle.
Need some torque.
Just use the jack handle. That's what I usually use. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super pumped that those came off like that.
No.
I know. Because listen, this is our only concern. If those come off and that one slides on, it's going down for real. What are you doing, bro?
It's bolted on.
Okay. We need zip tie Zach. In case we got to zip tie the manifold onto the. Actually, Sack's coming over later. Sack will be here later. Okay. Done.
Okay.
Okay. 2 more. Two more to go. All right, we're gonna attempt to try to get to these last 2 bolts, and we'll be back. All right, guys. So good news. All the bolts came off. with no issues at all. We got one hard line, which I'm not sure what that goes to. I've never seen that before. But we're gonna pull that off. We're gonna pull the whole exhaust out, jack the car up. Our master helper woke up from his nap. Did you even take a nap?
No, yeah.
You did?
Yeah, but I take a little bit.
A little nap? All right, put your shoes on. You can help us. And our buddy James from Harbor Freight's coming by, and he's gonna help us with our project. And I'm feeling pretty good about this. Right?
I'll try to get now the O2 sensor out.
Yeah, pull the O2, we're gonna jack it up, pull the exhaust out, and then from there, fab up, put the manifold on, clock the turbo, start doing the piping, and you know, should be good to go.
Blue.
What?
I think it's blue.
You wanna paint that blue?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so,
I will be done.
yep, we're putting a turbo on it now, buddy, we're gonna make it fast. Alright, let's pull the headers off. You may have to do it from underneath.
Let's see what something's holding it up so I can move
I'm
this.
gonna hold it.
Yeah, you
for
hold the flashlight, buddy.
Hold it for me there.
Yeah, it's moving the whole exhaust. We should jack it up and try from underneath, like disconnecting.
Disconnect the whole.
Yeah, disconnect the whole exhaust from underneath. So let's jack it up and do that. All right, guys, just to give you a little update. Alejandro is down here, and you said a bolt broke off, right? But
Yeah, just
you good?
wait. I'm taking off the meat pipe.
All right. We're gonna be able to pull the exhaust up or out, or
It'll go up.
it'll go up. Okay. And James is here. I told him the whole story about meeting you at Harbor Freight. James is here. He's gonna help us with our turbo project, tapping the oil pan. I just want him to come by.
Jay.
No, you're Jackson. So he came by to look at all the stuff we have, and hopefully within the next couple days, you know, it should be able to tap the oil pan and hopefully get it started up. So, because I ordered the sandwich plate, I did Amazon Prime. It was on there, so it should be here tomorrow or the next day. Exhaust is out, and that's the best part. It's our tip. You guys remember that from the previous video. So you think we can pull it out straight from the top of the motor now?
Oh, we gotta take off that hard line thing from
Oh, okay.
EGR.
So the hard line we figured out is for the EGR, EGR,
EGR.
and ordered a block off plate. Should be here in a couple days, so we're gonna do that. And then other than that, we should be good to go. So we're getting close to being able to put the manifold on, and hopefully the manifold goes on and has no fitment issues. We're about to find out. We weren't able to get the EGR pipe off, so that's the part we're trying to finagle now. This magic moment.
Listen, I'm gonna buy a shop fan. 4 hours later.
Yeah, 72 hours later, we're still here, chopping away at the headers. It looks pretty close though.
I have to find a way how.
Hour 87.
I'm starting to hallucinate. Thinking about cutting my arm.
How you doing down here, bro?
Just getting my eyes covered in rust dust from this rust bucket of yours.
Rust dust and penetration oil.
I wore 96.
That's you. You did all the work.
Want to do the honor, sir?
Dude, I'm just a young boxer.
You're very good at that.
Not anymore.
Yes. Great success. There it is.
James from Harbor Freight came.
Yep. James from Harbor Freight.
Yep. That's all you need.
All right. Are we ready for the big moment?
All right, who offers? Who's gonna offer? Offer up.
This is the big moment. Does this fit? Woo!
Looks like it does.
Wow. No, I am shocked. $100 manifold that just fit, actually just slides right on.
It actually is a good deal, though.
No, I am very, very shocked.
Very, very pleased at the moment.
Mm-hmm. All right, well, we'll be back, and hopefully when we come back, we'll have a manifold on and mocked up a turbo.
Our 127.
All right, so now that the manifold fit, we had to clock the turbo, and pretty good. Honestly, it doesn't even look like there's enough room to even put a filter.
Then we'll have
No
to custom
filter.
something.
Well, we'll have to do something because we'll still have to put the MAF there for now. Or the MAF there for now. So. All right, guys. So that's gonna wrap up day one. I went ahead and ordered the longer studs, the EGR block-off plate. So once we get those in, we'll be able to bolt everything down, run the piping, run the oil, return and feed, and then should be able to start it up, and we'll see what kind of problems we have then. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.